Hey guys, my name is Bobby Jones. I'm with Mountaineer Performance, and here today I'd like to introduce our brand new build. This is the 2019 F-150, and this is our latest addition to Mountaineer Performance. What this is a 2019 F-150 regular cab two-wheel drive XL model, and what we have done is pretty exciting. Come up here and take a look at the engine. In this F-150, we have placed the Roush Phase 1 Supercharger. Now what that will do is give this truck 650 horsepower, and the nightmare that we had on the dyno just a couple weeks ago actually made 578 horsepower to the wheel. So that's what we were expecting in this truck, and I can tell you this truck is absolutely fast. If we keep walking around here, we've added a few other little touches to make this kind of our edition of the Lightning truck. Right here we have a set of 20-inch black rhino gunmetal wheels. Paired that up with the Nitto 420S tires to give you a little traction for all this power. Come around to the back here. The other touch we've added is the Roush catback exhaust system to give this truck an absolute mean sound to it. This truck sounds absolutely awesome. The last thing that we did to this was added a lowering kit with springs. We did 3-inch lowered in the front with 5 inches in the back to make this truck look absolutely awesome. The most exciting part about this truck is the truck, the way it's set before we have touched it, had an MSRP of $33,130. The total adds that we have placed on this truck with labor comes out to $47,195. We are actually selling this truck for $43,749 after rebate. You absolutely cannot find that anywhere. It is an amazing truck with a lot of power, and I can tell you, a lot of fun to drive. Come with me out on the road, and we will take this thing for a test drive and see what she can do. All right, guys, we're going to take off from a complete stop and see what 650 horsepower feels like in a two-wheel drive. Here we go. Oh my gosh, that is absolutely insane.